If you're seeing an Epic Games purchase error, don't worry because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to buying your game, add-on, or in-game item without all the frustration. This is one of those issues that can happen for a few different reasons, but the good news is that most of the time it can be fixed with a few simple checks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, check the Epic Games server status. Sometimes the issue is not on your side at all. If Epic services are having problems, purchases can fail even when your account and payment details are fine. Open a browser and search for Epic Games status, then look for any outages or service interruptions related to payments, the store, or account services. If you see an active issue, the best thing to do is wait until Epic resolves it and try again a little later. Next, update and restart the Epic Games launcher. If you're using the desktop launcher, open it and make sure it is fully up to date. Sometimes an older version can cause payment or checkout errors. If there is an update available in the settings, install it. Then, completely close the launcher and reopen it. If needed, restart your computer as well. A fresh restart can clear temporary glitches that may be blocking the purchase process. Now verify your payment details carefully. This is a really important step because even one small mistake can trigger a purchase error. Go to your payment method and check the card number, expiration date, security code, billing address, and zip or postal code. Make sure the name and billing information match exactly what your bank has on file. If your payment method is expired, blocked, or has insufficient funds, the transaction may fail. If possible, try a different card or payment method to see if the issue goes away. If you're making the purchase in the Epic Games app and it still fails, switch methods. Try completing the purchase through a web browser instead. On the other hand, if the browser version is giving you trouble, try the Epic Games launcher or the app. Sometimes the checkout flow works better in one place than another depending on your browser, device, or account session. This simple switch can solve the problem surprisingly often. Another very useful fix is clearing the Epic Games launcher cache. Cache files can become corrupted or outdated, and that can interfere with store purchases. To do this, fully close the launcher first. Then open your system's file location for the Epic Games launcher cache and remove the temporary cache files according to your device's setup. After that, reopen the launcher and try the purchase again. Clearing the cache gives the launcher a clean start and can remove hidden errors that are causing checkout to fail. If the purchase still does not go through, double check that your Epic account is in good standing and that you are signed into the correct account. Sometimes people have multiple accounts and accidentally try to buy something on the wrong one. Also, if you're using a VPN, try turning it off temporarily because some payment systems may block or flag purchases coming from unusual network locations. At this point, try the transaction again after going through each fix one by one. In most cases, one of these steps will resolve the Epic Games error purchase issue and let you complete the checkout normally. If not, you may need to contact Epic Games support and include details like the exact error message, the payment method you used, and when the issue happened. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the Epic Games purchase error quickly and safely. If it did, please like the video and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides, game fixes, and PC help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.